Sticking to one career is hard, right? Not because we are incapable, but because nobody teaches us how to handle discomfort. Hi, this is Kirti, and this is the place where we share our real thoughts, understand our patterns, and try to figure out things together. So let's begin. So, how to stop quitting everything we start? Rule number one, the 30 days no switching contract rule. Pick one thing, like it could be anything. It could be meditating, journaling, or working towards your goal, studying anything. Just promise yourself that for the next 30 days, I am not allowed to quit. You're allowed to cry, hate it, complain about it, but you are not allowed to quit for the next 30 days. You know why this works? Because fear picks around day 12 to 20 when your brain signals you that it is too difficult to continue. And that is the time when you have to control your emotions and keep on continuing. Rule number two, decide once, execute daily, and review later. Do not ask every day from yourself that मैं ठीक कर रही हूँ क्या? Am I on the right path? Rather, keep on iterating in your mind that decision day once, execution day daily, and review day after 30 days. You know why this works? Because our brain is bad at making decisions when it is anxious, and this trick helps immensely to keep you on track. Rule number three, minimum effort rule. On bad days, never aim for productivity. Aim for non-zero effort. It could be like reading just for 15 minutes or meditating just for like 5 minutes. Studying 2 hours throughout the day. बस एक चीज़ समझ लो, ये तुम्हारा स्नैपचैट स्ट्रीक जैसा है जिसको तुम किसी भी हालत में तोड़ना पसंद नहीं करोगे. इन द सेम वे अगर तुम एक भी दिन स्किप करते हो, योर ब्रेन विल टेल यू हैव ऑलरेडी ब्रोकन योर प्रॉमिस, जो कि तुमको नहीं करना है. 30 डेज के पहले तुमको किसी भी हाल में क्विट नहीं करना है. Rule 4, difficulty equals to proof you are on the right path. Reframe this line in your head. Difficult, I chose the wrong path. No, difficult because I am learning something valuable, and anything valuable requires time and it's a hard work that it involves. And last but not the least, write it down somewhere visible that I am someone who finishes what they start, even when it's get uncomfortable. Trust me, if you apply all this rule, it's really going to work. Because whenever I feel stuck or feel like giving up, I always take up this 30 days challenge. और ये बहुत हेल्पफुल है. लाइक लिटरली मेरा ब्रेन जब भी मेरे को बोलता है कि छोड़ दे भाई अब नहीं हो रहा है, तब ये 30 डेज रूल मैं फॉलो करती हूँ एंड लाइक इट रियली हेल्प्स. क्योंकि मेरा डिसीजन डे आफ्टर 30 डेज बाद होता है. इट्स नॉट कंपल्सरी कि तुम जो स्टार्ट किए हो वो तुम्हें पसंद ही आ जाए, बट हाँ इसका डिसीजन 30 डेज के बाद होगा. एंड या दिस वॉज ऑल दैट आई वॉन्टेड टू से इन दिस वीडियो. My 30 days challenges, I will be making videos for the next 30 days. It could be in this format or in the format of shorts. So what is the your challenge? Write down in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to see. I hope this helps. Thank you so much, and if you like it, hit the like button and subscribe. Bye bye.